If you've ever created a PowerPoint and wished it looked sharper or more professional, especially when displayed on large screens or in videos, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to export your PowerPoint slides to a 4K resolution file in just a few quick steps. Whether it's for a business presentation, a school project, or creative design work, high-resolution slides make a huge difference in clarity and overall impact. Alright, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation you'd like to export. Once your slides are ready, go up to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. From here, click on Export. This section allows you to save your presentation in different formats, and that's exactly where we'll set it up for 4K quality. Now, select Change File Type, and from the list of options, choose PNG, Portable Network Graphics Format. PNG is great because it supports very high resolutions and keeps all the details crisp, perfect for 4K output. Next, click Save As. Choose a location on your computer, maybe your desktop or a project folder, and then give your file a clear descriptive name like Presentation Final 4K. When you hit Save, PowerPoint will ask if you want to export just this one slide or all slides. Select whichever suits your needs. And here's the key part. When you're prompted to pick the resolution, choose 4K, 3840 by 2160 pixels. This ensures your slides are saved in ultra high definition, ready to look sharp on any display. Once it's done, you'll have each slide exported as a 4K image file, perfect for printing, video editing, or sharing digitally without losing quality. And that's it. You've successfully exported your PowerPoint slides in stunning 4K resolution. Now your presentations will look crystal clear and completely professional, no matter where they're viewed. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel for more quick PowerPoint and design tutorials, and drop a comment below letting me know what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy presenting.